A couple of years ago, Shadow Company got together again. The war was over. But we still had our list of sources in Asia.
And?
And we've been bringing it in ever since.
Bringing in what?
Heroin. 2 major shipments a year. It's all run by ex-CIA, soldiers, mercs.
You son of a bitch. If you were getting cold feet, why did they kill Amanda? Why not just kill you?
They can't kill me. They need me.
Why?
My company, the bank, it's a perfect front. It makes everything look great on the tax reports.
Tax reports.
This is big business, Roger.
Not anymore. I'm gonna burn it down.
You can't. It's too big, Raj. These people are trained, expert killers.
I want to know about your next shipment. I want to know where it's coming in, how many people you got working for you.
I can't tell you that,
I want to
Roger.
know your sources
Roger, I can't.
abroad. I want to know how
I've
long
got
you've
another
been into
daughter.
this.
You
I
people
want
can't
all the
protect her. I am
information you
in
can
this
give
too
me.
deep, Roger.
Heroin. You got off easy, son of a bitch. Through?
I haven't even started.
McAllister, 801. This is Delta 1. We're coming in. Over?
So, you've accomplished your mission.
Yes, sir. Mr. Hunsaker is dead, sir. I'm afraid, however, that another problem exists.
What is it? Explain.
Hunsaker spoke to the police, sir.
Are they dead?
No, sir, I missed the opportunity.
Very disappointing. So the police may know everything, the whole operation, huh?
That is correct, sir.
Joshua, I think it's time we turned up the heat. Come on home.